Okay, see that spinning? That's a baits caster. There we go. We hooked into another big girl. Yes, look at that rod there. She's pulling the drag off. Yeah, it's showtime. It's showtime. Hasn't been biting all day. Finally, third, fourth hour. Guess what? Hello. Hey, somebody gonna net this for me, or just stand there with your freaking teeth in your mouth? Yeah, right here next to me. Oh, that's a big girl. Get her in there. Well, you ain't gonna get her in there that way. No, my line. You're gonna get my line. There we go. 32 inches of beautiful golden Godzilla carp. Mud marlin. Go out and get some mud marlin. Good day, mates. There we go. There we go. 32 inches of a mud marlin. Yes, sir. Waited 3 hours to get this girl. All right. That makes number 20 for the season right now. All right. When you can, please catch and release like so. There she goes, swimming off like nothing happened. Thanks for the fight, lovely lady. Good day, mates.